Hey, what's up everybody? I want to do another quick review, this time on this mini muffin stainless steel baking pan. We have really enjoyed this thing. We really like it. It's stainless steel. What else is there to say? So you know it's clean. You don't have to worry about all the bad stuff, if you know what I'm talking about. It's dishwasher safe. We've had it in the dishwasher 100 times. No issues at all there. It does great with baking. It's even. You can tell it's durable. It's made to last. We've had it for quite a while now. We've had no issues with it at all. It's holding up. So really happy with it. Again, those are the little minis, not the bigger size, but the little minis. So yeah, if you're doing research or maybe looking to buy, we would definitely recommend, just because our experience with them. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Appreciate you watching. Till next time, we'll see ya.